gotta be the object that allows him to control the sentient monster. Tiki! Helki! Unify!
Show yourself, Ladybug! It's over for you and Cat Noir! If you don't surrender, I'll send all these prisoners into space!
He won't be able to seize everything at once. First, the object that controls the sentient monster. Voyage! Tiki! Helki! Unify! Tiki! Helki! Unify!